him all the tools he need.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Wire?
Yeah.
So today is 3/10/26, and we're gonna watch Oscar how he wires an outlet. So obviously there's many ways to do it, but let's see which one he does first. Will, where are you?
Looking for excess wire for his pigtail.
You need more wire, Oscar?
Oh, here.
Just let him do everything. Just focus on what he does. Every move is calculated, okay? He does this all the time. So think about it. No too fast, okay, Oscar? Slow.
Faster.
Slow. This is muy importante. Escuela.
Muy rápido.
Muy rápido. He hasn't done anything too crazy yet. He's just cutting wires.
So this video is 1 minute already. We're not trying to do speed, but when you're just gonna see his accuracy.
No está pegado. Ya lo saqué todavía. Ninguno.
Okay, look at the amount. He doesn't even think about it. He's doing it so much. Look how much perfect the insulation was stripped. When you come out, you don't even barely see any insulation. Look. This is like pure muscle memory. He's not even thinking.
Tape?
Yep.
Black tape too?
You want black tape?
No,
No black tape. Just stay focused on what he does. I'm telling you, he's gonna get everything he needs. He knows where all the tools are all the time. He knows all the drawers. So now he's gonna. In his mind, he already knows how to fill this box up too. He's not gonna look. He's gonna push everything in the corners already.
Oh,
Okay, so before you push in, Oscar, so you go over here, then you come over here,
yeah.
and then that one you go over there. Okay, got it. So he split them to two groups. This is important. Look.
It's like right in the middle. Oh no, man.
You drill? Drill?
Yeah.
Dang, competitive. It's been 4 minutes. And I have to ask him to slow down.
You could probably do this in a minute.
I don't know about a minute. That's a lot.
3 minutes.
Enter Oscar into the electrician rodeo. Okay.
Okay, so the next question is, did he put this in the right direction? Is it correct? Is it importante? Left, right? No importante? The person sit here? Okay.
As long as all is
And then this one easy to fix?
Yeah.
How you fix that?
No glue?
And the glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Oscar.
So 4 minutes. You don't have to do 4 minutes. Just do it correct. Yeah? Okay.